Hey everyone. So, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Bridget Eckerdahl, and I live in Raleigh, North Carolina area, outside of Raleigh. And I have two little boys, a 3-year-old and a 17-month-old, and a wonderful husband. And I started selling Norwex about a little over a year ago. Well, almost a year ago. And I kind of jumped in a little bit skeptical at first with Norwex. Then I went to a party and didn't believe in it. I ended up having a party so that I could get my products for free instead of buying it, which wasn't very nice because my friend didn't get the benefits from her party. But I tried the products after a couple of days and fell in love with them, and I knew I could get other people to buy these products, and I knew I could help our family out and make a little bit of money. My husband is a children's pastor, so for us, money is very tight. And it was one of those things when we would go to the grocery store, it was stressful trying to figure out how I could have such a small amount of money and make it every single week on that budget. And so when I first started selling Norwex, I was going to be all gun ho and 2 feet in. I was ready to go. I was ready to make some money for the family. And that's what Norwex did. The business actually took off at the beginning, and trying to reach that $2,000 goal. And before I knew it, Norwex was paying for our groceries every month. And I couldn't believe the stress relief that it was. And I was getting a night out, which was really nice. And over time, Norwex actually did something that for the first time in our 8 years of marriage, we were able to purchase a second vehicle. And we had been just making it work with one vehicle, and we were able to build a savings account, which we were never able to do before on my husband's salary. And so Norwex allowed us to be able to get the second vehicle and to pay cash for it. And it's just been a huge relief. And there's ups and downs in the business, and when the business is down, we go back to having a tight budget, and I just get on the phone and I try and build up my business as much as I can to get it going again. But I wanted to share a couple other tips with you. And I've only been doing this a year, so I don't feel like I have it all together. Don't really know everything that I'm doing, whether it's right or not. But one of the things that I think is really important is making your parties shorter. One of the things that Chris Carlson, the leader here in North Carolina, suggested was making your party the safe haven party. And basically, that's what I do. All I talk about at my party is the safe haven package. And I do the EnviroCloth and the window cloth. I demo those, and then I go through the products that's in the Safe Haven package, and that's it. At the end, I tell everybody, at the end of the 30, 45 minutes, I tell them this package is the one that everybody needs. It gives you a little bit of everything that Norwex has to offer, something for every piece of your house, and it's a good package to get you started. And the thing I noticed was my sales went up drastically because instead of people just buying the household pack, they spent more money and went ahead and bought the Safe Haven package. So my party sales went up, my sales each month went up, which caused my commission to go up, which was nice. And the other thing that I started doing was offering gifts to the hostess for people that book parties. So I would actually have individually wrapped packages, 3 or 4 of them, and I would tell the people that were there, all the customers, I would say, the hostess that's here, your friend, she gets to unwrap a present anytime somebody books a party at this party. And you'd be surprised the amount of people that want to see their friend open a present. So it actually caused a lot of people to want to book parties. And they're also thinking in their mind, well, when I have my party, I'll get to open some presents too because she'll bring stuff to my house as well. So it's been working really well. I do have if for some reason I don't have the packages, I do have the $100 basket, and I'll let people that book a party pick something out of there. You can do it however you want, but it's worked well for me to give away gifts to the hostess when people book parties at her party. And I tell her that ahead of time so that she knows she can start pushing and preparing. A lot of times I have walked into the party and she's already got 3 or 4 people lined up that want to book a party with me, and they haven't even seen me do the party yet, because she knows she's going to get more gifts from me if she books a party. So that's just an added little tip for you that you might enjoy, and I hope you have a great time selling Norwex. Can't wait to see what else Nicole has to teach us. Thanks.